Due to my ever-growing love of retro computers, or as it's been put to me, my spiralling descent into mental illness.
I must be getting forgetful in my old age. Open the glove compartment and fetch me my brain medicine.
I thought it would be fun to see if I could use the BBC word processor Wordwise, save something that I've created on it, and then use it on my PC. So here I've got one of my lovingly restored BBC Model B micros. Inside it, I've got a ROM with Wordwise on it. Got the instruction manual, because why wouldn't you want that? And the function key shortcut list. Over in the corner, connected up to the machine, I've got 2 disks, dual booting. I've got the Gotek in the bottom one as the primary drive, and I've got a 5 1/4 floppy on top. I'm not going to be using the cub monitors as I have real problems with the scan lines when I record using my phone, unfortunately. So I'll be using a flat screen TV for this. So my idea is quite simple and straightforward. I'm going to write a Word doc. I say Word doc, a Wordwise document on the BBC Micro. I'm going to save it onto an emulated blank disk on the Gotek. I'm not going to use a 5 1/4 disk as much as I would like to, because I just simply don't have a 5 1/4 drive for my PC. So once I've got that saved onto the USB stick, I'm going to transfer it to the PC and see what we've got. Okay, so alt text, that's a no. Escape to edit mode. Right, let's write something. Right, let's save the entire text. That's done. Right, should we give it a test, see if we can load it? Right, let's completely clear this. Let's turn it off and on just to make sure everything's gone. Now, load new text. Right, let's see if we've got it. Right, so that looks like it's saved successfully on the USB stick. Right, let's get that transferred over to the PC, see what we can do on there. So the next issue I'm going to potentially face is trying to open the saved file from the BBC. But I've got the USB stick. Let's get it plugged in. That's plugged in. And whilst off camera, I've just been having a bit of a Google, and DFS.NET Explorer, reading the blurb of this, I think it's going to do what I need it to do, but time will tell. Let's get it open. Right. This file options help. Disk. Right, let's open a disk image because it will be a file saved inside a disk image on the BBC. And blank underscore DFS dot DSD. That should be the blank disk that I saved it on. So let's open that up. Yeah, it's there. And there's a test one that I did as well, just in case there's a problem with this one. Right. Right, can't double click it. Right, let's view as text. Wow, there it is. There it is. That's exactly how I wrote it with the paragraph spacings as well. Upper and lowercase, yes. Result. Right, let's see. Let's see if we can open this in Microsoft Word. Right, can we just drag this off? Right, let's see if we can just drag off. Right, it's created two for some reason. It's recognising it as a Word document. Microsoft Word. Once upon a time, there was a little YouTube channel called Retro Computing Reboot. Well, there you go. Yeah. I'll be honest, I wasn't expecting that to work. Right. Next question going through my head is, what if I make some changes to this? Would I be able to get it back onto the BBC? Right. Okay. Right, so if I just save that. Okay, let's choose no. Well, let's cancel that. I don't want to save it as a Word document. Let's just go to File, Save again. Yes. Okay. I think yes would be the correct option. Right, let's close that. Right, can we just drag it back in? Has that done anything? Ah. So I've lost some text there. Okay. Let's delete these. Let's pull them back out again. Right, so is this an issue because the file's got a bit longer, so it's pushed the other text off? Or is it because I've saved it stupidly? Right. Let's open it with Notepad. Save. And let's put that back on. Rid of that. So play Notepad. Let's pull it back in. Right. Yeah, so it seems to be losing it. And I'm guessing because it's got a thing saying how long the file is, which I'm guessing is part of this. That's a shame. Right, time to have a think. So, quick update then. I've had quite a lengthy mess around off camera, trying various different bits of software to see if I can get it to work. And I've struggled. But I've got to the point now where I think it's working using Notepad. Managed to edit the text in Notepad, add extra text, brought it back to the BBC, and it's all there. So I'll take you through that, and then I'll have another go with Word, see if I can get that to work again. I'm not too confident with that, but we'll give it a whirl, and let's see how we get on. Right, so on the PC then. I fell off my chair. Right. I downloaded a bit of software called FS Manager, which seems to work well for me. So let's just open that up. I've already got the USB stuck into the PC. So let's open up the disk, which I've called, well, I just downloaded 3D Pool and then just deleted all the files off it because for whatever reason, this software, FS Manager, wasn't happy with the dual disk format that I was using. So needed an SSD format for a single-sided disk. So just downloaded this and deleted all the files off it. So let's open that up. So there it is saved. So if we go to File Inspector, none of these actually work, but the hex there, the hexadecimal, we've got the text in there. So let's pull this on to the desktop because it just drags straight on. Let's open this up in Notepad. Open with Notepad. There we go. So let's put some more text in. Okay, let's close that, save it. Right, just to make sure, I'm going to delete that file off the disk image, and then I'm going to drag this one back in. Am I? Yeah, there we go. Right, let's go over to the Beeb and see if this has added that text in. Right, so here we are back on the Beeb. I'll stick the USB stick in. That's in the GoTech. Right, I've got the 3D pool disk selected. Right, let's go back out of here. Let's go to load new text. And the file name RCR. That seems to have done something. Right. Scroll down. Right, so that's definitely worked using Notepad. Right, brilliant. Let's go back to the PC and let's try out Microsoft Word. Into the PC. That's done that. Let's open up FS Manager. Right. Move stuff out of the way. Disk. Open disk. 3D pool. Let's open that. Let's get rid of those two that we created before. Let's delete those. Right. Let's pull those back across. So we've got those. Right. And by default, I think it's going to open in Microsoft Word anyway. Right. Okay. So. Right. So let's select yes. Right. Let's inspect this. Let's delete this. Let's remove that. Let's drag it now back in. Didn't work first time, last time either, did it? Right, there we go. Let's go. This is a third bit of text. Right, that's looking really good. That's looking really good. Right, let's close all this and let's go back to the Beeb. Right, back to the Beeb then. USB stick in. Didn't like that. Right, I think we're still good. Right. Disk is loaded. Right. Didn't like that at all. Right, let's do a power off and power on. Right, right, let's load. See. Yes. It's all there. It's all there. Brilliant. Well, it's time to wrap up another video. What a great success it was in the end. Not only have we managed to get a Wordwise document exported and read on the PC, but we've managed to edit it both in Notepad and in Word and got it back onto the BBC. Practicality speaking, it was probably fairly pointless, but was it fun to do? Yes, it was, massively. Get your BBC out and have a go yourself. But in the meantime, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. If you've got this far, thumbs up, comment, subscribe, all appreciated. And hopefully see you again in another video. Bye for now.